Hello, welcome to Lunar Astro. So today's topic, Diwali gifts and remedies. But first of all, people who are doing the Shakti remedy, I'm getting your feedbacks. I'm getting the feedbacks in the comment section on the Facebook, and I'm really glad you notice your sleep patterns are being changed. Some people are sleeping a lot more than they should. If you've not started the Shakti remedy by now, please at least do it on the Dhanteras, Choti Diwali, and Badi Diwali. At least 3 days, because the cosmos is giving you the energy. Just make your body as a yantra. Just sit there in the morning, do the puja. You will feel the change. People are sending their feedbacks what they're going through, the kind of negativity which has been solved from their life. So please do the Shakti remedy. That's one thing. You can watch the Shakti remedy video. I'm giving the link in the description section. Just 2 videos back we released it. Secondly, the gift for the astrological community, as when we want to do the research, we require specific charts. Like you want to search on brain tumors, you want to search on Nobel Prize winners, you want to search on people who are very rich, people who are very rich and then they became poor. All these kind of criteria, then it requires time to look at the charts. Like let's suppose you read a dictum, the exalted plant from seventh from Mahatma Karaka, the native is a king. But to see this, you require charts again. So for this, you require a particular tool. So that is why uh, I sat down with my team like a couple of months back, like 7 to 8 months back, and said, because I always tell every student of mine, whatever I teach, please practice. And we sat down and make that particular tool. So we are giving it out today to the astrological community. It will be on the website, and let me go and run you through it, as well as all the calculations of Maharaj Bhrigu, all the progressions of Maharaj Bhrigu, Bhrigu Ashwatthana Dasha, Nisargik Dasha, as well as the blank chart codes, blank zodiac code, which is just exact, just keep the chart blank and see the zodiac, when it will get activated. And what gets activated in which year. You don't have to remember anything. You have compiled it, place it in the software, all the calculations, the lunar hora chart calculations, which is for the money, family, all the dashas, including the data bank, is in the software now. So that is being released on the website. So let me run through it, and then we'll come to the Diwali remedies. So let me start by, when you will open the screen, uh, what you can see is it's a lunarastro.com/astrodatabank. This is the link. The same has been given in the description below. And you will find three categories. You'll find search by name, you can search by date of birth, you can search by planetary positions, like Lagan can be in any sign, nakshatra, navansh, and degree wise as well. Same you can do for all the planets. Plus, there are your char karakas to be searched for. You can say matra karaka has to be Mars, and then you can search it. Also, you can do your search based on the a particular event. Like this one is for Nobel Prize. Just click, if you write down rags to riches, and when you click on it, it will pull out all the charts which are for people who have rose from very basics and became rich. Like if you click here, what you will find is a picture of the person, then the basic birth details, where is born, what was the Rashi Lord, Lagan Lord, star, what was the Tithi. In the middle section, you'll find out the Rashi chart with the planets and degrees in both North Indian and South Indian format. And down below, you can find the information about the planets, a degree, Rashi, star lord, sign lord, and the nakshatra. And on this side, you will find out all the details of the person. It's like the chronology of the person, all the recorded main events of the life. And this rating, it's single A rated, means it's a very good chart. Double A rating, it's a perfect chart in terms of timing. Double A means the person has a birth certificate. Single A rating means the person knows his birth time very well by the family member. So use the double A or single A rating charts, and you can control it while search. You can only get the double A rating charts, single A rating charts. So you can see the end of major project 24 November 1999. So you can see what happened in the D10 chart, in the profession area. What was the family like? None. And all the things about her, like about her childhood, about her relationships, about her money, will be there. Similarly, you can also search for like serial killer, and you can click. Again, you will find all the people with the name, date, time, birthplace over here, and these are the serial killer charts. And just click on any one of them, and you'll find out double A rating chart, the person, how he has killed, how many people he have killed. Okay, this is serial killer chart, or brain tumor, and you will find out all the people with the brain tumor if you're doing the medical research for the medical astrology and doing the research on brain tumors. So very helpful for people who are going into research in Jyotish. Secondly, if you are a bit of freak like me, uh, then let's suppose Lagan on the 8 degrees, that's a degree of Mrityu Bhag, and you want your sun, Amatma Karaka, sun, and then you can also search in this particular format as well. You can also use like sun should be in Aries, in Ashwini Nakshatra, in the Navansh of Gemini, Cancer at 2 degrees. Lagan has to be on 8 degrees, sun has to be in this particular format, and then you can click go. It will take time because the more specific your search becomes, more specifically the result has to get scanned through, so it will take bit of time. So have patience when you're making your customized search. It takes about a minute to give you the results. The one which is on the search all basis, that will come very quickly. So now I'm searching someone who has a ascendant degree 8, sun in Aries, in Ashwini Nakshatra, in Cancer Navansh at 2 degrees. This is sorry, this will not be, because sun cannot be in 2 degrees, so this is a wrong search. So I can stop it at any point of time. I can just go refresh, and the search will be gone. So let's suppose I want to search for sun, Aries sign, Ashwini Nakshatra, Cancer Navansh. Also, just click on sun has to be Atma Karaka as well, if this is what I want. So this is a very simple search, but you're doing the research on different charkarkas, how different charkarkas behave. That is, you can do now. You can do the medical astrology research, you can do the Bracto research, money research, whatever research you want to get involved in. Now it's there, very easily available. Please go ahead, do the research. And my best of luck to all the people who are in Jyotish field, who are struggling because of the data bank. Now it's there. The another part is, just let me stop share for a minute. So this is the Bhrigu software which we were talking about. So this is the main screen of the chart. This is the chart of Marie Curie, who won Nobel Prize two times in her lifetime, for different subjects. So the best part about the software which I loved was, when you click on this particular icon over here on the side, which shows this particular person, you have the data bank inbuilt, and then you can always search Nobel Prize, and click go, and you have all the data bank within built-in software. And let's suppose, let me open any one of them, this one. Okay, so name is Henry Dunant, Prize won 1901, and he won Nobel Prize for peace. Let's suppose I want to move this particular chart into my main database. So all I have to do is click this button down below, move to main database, and that's it. This data will be transferred into my personal directory. Now I can use it at any point of time. I don't have to search it again, because the chart will be very interesting to see that somebody who has lived full age at the age of 82, long life, the person has won the Nobel Prize as well, and why for peace only. So the Surya is the Atma Karaka in the chart. This is one of the features. Again, the search functions are same as on the Astro Data Bank given on the website. It is also available offline as well now. So this is the Bhrigu screen, because it's a Bhrigu software. So you will see, when you come to the screen, you will find out 3 planets or any one house flashing. Like in this case, the 12th house is flashing. The reason why they're flashing is because they want you to look into this house. This is the inbuilt code for astrologers to, so that they do not forget that please look at this house. Some event has to happen in this house in this particular year. For sure, that has to happen in this year. So that's why they keep on flickering to, so that it reminds you. Secondly, you have a Bhrigu transit chart. So what a Bhrigu transit chart is, it's based on the Plutonic cycles of Maharaj Bhrigu. It's basically the progressions of Maharaj Bhrigu. And what it says is Bhrigu transit chart here. You can search, you can go backwards, you can go forward, and you can see what was the time, because there's a particular dasha, Bhrigu Pada dasha. That has to be used with this particular cycle. In this cycle, the transit of sun completes one revolution, not in 1 year, it completes in 19 years. So this is a Plutonic cycle in which the Bhrigu dasha is working. Then you have individual cycles like Bhrigu sun cycle, moon cycle, Mars, Mercury, for all the planets. And based on this, you can impose this transit on the birth chart, and you can find out what event is about to happen in the life. Similarly, you have divisional charts right on the down below. The interesting one is a lunar hora chart. This is a chart which we talked about a couple of months back. It's a true hora chart to find out in which particular family the native will be born. How will the wealth condition of the native? What kind of food the person will like? How much wealth the native can make? Because it's a true hora chart. So this one is included in the software. The another thing is in this particular software is the Vedic progression. So Vedic progression is that any point of time, like let's suppose any dasha, let's suppose Jupiter dasha, the dasha of Jupiter, whenever it will start, Jupiter has to go through all the 12 houses in his dasha. So you can see the start and end point of Jupiter, in a particular sign, and when you click on it, it will also show you the Navansh position of the Jupiter. This is what the progression or regression cycle in the software is. This is the Vedic progression called. It is called as Vedic progression. Then you have Vedic Varshful, which is also known as the Tajik Varshful. Now let me clear this. Clear all drawings. Okay, so this is also known as the Tajik Varshful or the Tajik Varshful or the Vedic Varshful. This is included in it. You have a Lal Kitab Varshful if you are doing the Lal Kitab astrology, and Lal Kitab 35-year cycle, or the Lal Kitab of planetary positions, or Lal Kitab Teva for a particular year, that will be built out. Then there are customized dasha for the software. This is the Kal Chakra dasha. Kal Chakra dasha in one of the versions, because you see, if you think about who is the god of Jyotish, who controls the time, it's Bhagwan Shiv. If you think deeply, no other god has described time or the Jyotish as Lord Shiv. So you have to really pray to Lord Shiv to get the Jyotish. And that's why the Jyotish originates in Varanasi only. The life starts from there. So when you pray to Mahakal, Jyotish comes to you. And there's a particular Ayansh told by Lord Shiv, which is a Kesi Kal Chakra Dasha Ayansh, which is perfectly used for Kal Chakra Dasha only. You can use KCD for any event, but KCD Ayansh to be used. And the another part of about this particular thing is, let's suppose if someone is going through any kind of a special leap in the dasha, like this one is going through single lokan gati, it will be mentioned here, so you don't have to pay really attention to it. If astrologer forget about it, it will be mentioned over here. What is the Dehi Rashi? What is the Jeev Rashi? When they are afflicted, the native has to leave the body. Let's say because Kal Chakra Dasha was originally described to time the death. So Amsa Rashi is Taurus, Dehi Rashi is Capricorn, Jeev Rashi is Gemini in this particular chart. And this will be when you will practice it, you will find out, Kal Chakra Dasha, one of the most best dashas to time the events. Then you have Bhrigu Ashwatthari Dasha, which is used by the astrologers in Bengal area. So Bhrigu Ashwatthari Dasha is given in this particular chart. So you have a starting date, and then you have the age. You can go up to 2 levels in this one. You have a Bhrigu Nesargik Dasha based on the Chandrakala Nadi. You have a blank chart Dasha. Then you have blank chart Dasha. This is the based on house system. And the thing is, this is the one which I taught in the course as well, that you can use the blank chart Dasha at any point of time. So you can use the blank chart dasha in this one just by clicking here, and then there's a sign based zodiac code dasha. And the zodiac code is, as you know, that there are, you can use Aries, you can use Lagna, you can use Arodhara Lagan. So whichever way you want to use it, just click here and change your starting point. Like let's suppose in this one you want to start from Aries, right? So just click on Aries here, and dasha will start from Aries. You want to calculate from the Lagan, you just click Sagittarius, and now the dasha will start from the Lagan itself. So this is how the system has been designed. Because, and let's suppose you want to start from Arud Lagna, again go back to Aries. Whichever way you want to start your dasha, because I taught different variations of it in the course, you can start from there. So that is inbuilt within the system. Then you have, if you go to this screen, you'll find out you can use Sapta Charkarkas or Ashcharkarkas. I'm using Asht1. I'm using the conditional Grahapada. I'm using the Chaitradi month, 365.25 days. For the time being, I'm using mean notes, North Indian, but you can use true as well. That's fine. And you click on proceed. Like if you see the chart we imported, like this one, the chart which we imported in the system, and now it is locally saved. I can just click on it, proceed, and again I will get every single thing right in my front. You have the Ashtavarga calculations, you have the Shadbal calculations done over here. The Gemini Sutram part, which is strictly followed as per the the book of Neelkanji, that's the original text. So that has been followed throughout the software. So this is about the software. Now let's go back. So these were the two gifts from our end. These are the softwares which we created, built over a period of time. And data bank is free to use through everyone. You can go to website, use it. The second thing is the Diwali remedy. People who are interested in the remedial part. Last time we did the remedies of Saturn. The reason being is anything which was afflicting Saturn, like people who are in debts, people who are going through bad times, anyone who did that remedy, it gave out the good results. This time we'll do the remedies of Jupiter. So what is the remedy of Jupiter is? Because Diwali is falling on Thursday. Anything new you want to start to learn, any problems related to your kids, any problem related to your prosperity, happiness, health, anything, anywhere you feel, where you feel that Jupiter is giving you a bad result, then you can perform this remedy. And remedy is very simple. The remedy is, please buy any idol, any form of Ishwar, Paramatma, whichever one you believed in, please buy him and bring to your house on the Diwali day, and pray to him on that day, and keep that particular murti in your temple. Secondly, if your Jupiter is getting afflicted, Jupiter is in a bad position, Jupiter is in a bad shape, donate the items related to the planet which is afflicting Jupiter, and donate it to temple only. Or you can donate to any temple trust if you are living abroad. Such as if Jupiter is afflicted by Saturn, Jupiter afflicted by Rahu, Jupiter afflicted by whichever planet, and you think your Jupiter is not giving you proper results, and even if it's giving proper results, if it's a conjuncted, like Jupiter afflicted with Saturn, so what you do, you donate mustard oil in the temple. Jupiter afflicted with the Venus or getting affected by the Venus, give clothes in the temple for the murti. You do this particular remedy, and you will find out suddenly that the effect of Jupiter has been increased in your life. But again, all of my remedies, something you should see the remedy working. There will be some other portion where you will find out that why this happened. whenever you do the remedy, something bad initially has to happen because the bad energy has to go out. This is the same thing which several people who are doing the Shakti remedy were experiencing. So do it with a faith, do it on Diwali night, and a very happy Diwali to all of you. Thank you.